Careful now, Nori. This cake is our masterpiece.
Got it, Zeno. One step at a time.
Well, what do we have here? A cake worth chasing.
Nova, don't even think about it.
Not so fast, Nova. You are not getting this cake.
Catch me if you can, Zeno.
I'll hold her off. Nori, do something. I've got an idea. Just keep her busy. Wow, you two really pulled it off. Maybe I underestimated you.
Teamwork makes the dream work, Nova. This is the best cake we've ever made. And the best chase I've ever had. See you next time, friends. Until then, stay slippery.